Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's Mo, and in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys what we make for dinner. My daughter gave me this idea to create they want sub, and I'm like, sub? I'm not gonna put meat on my sub, so what am I gonna do? So I decided to create a little my own sub with tofu. I haven't come up with a recipe yet, but as I go, I'm going to be coming up with a recipe. We went to Walmart and pick up a few stuff, so I'm going to show you guys first the stuff that we picked up. The kids didn't have no mayonnaise. I have my own mayonnaise, which is a vegan mayonnaise, and they're going to have, we bought this one for them. My daughter wanted pickles, so she bought pickles. I'm not really a big fan of pickles. And my youngest, she wanted pistachio, so she bought pistachio. My tofu, the kids are gonna use buffalo style chicken cutlets. My oldest daughter gonna use this, but my youngest daughter, she says she's gonna use Spam in her sandwich. We got some cheese, some tomatoes. We got some shredded iceberg lettuce, and we got 2 bags of white sub rolls, and there's 6 in a bag, and we got 2 bags because we're gonna have probably some left over. And I don't normally buy them juice, but since we bought all this, I bought them some Country Time strawberry lemonade. I don't know what I'm gonna drink yet. Probably gonna drink water or coffee. And Funyuns, Cool Ranch, Doritos, all we have. And we're gonna, anything else that we don't have here, probably have them in the fridge, already have them in the pantry already, so they need to buy those. So let's get, my daughter, she's gonna make their own sandwich. I'm gonna start off because I have to do my tofu, and then my daughter is gonna come and prepare their sandwich, and I'm gonna prepare my own sandwich because yeah, that's just how we do it. Alright guys, let's get into it. So alright guys, here we go. This is my tofu. I'm just gonna cut off some of them because I don't want all of this. So I'll probably do like 4 slices. I'll probably do enough for 2 sandwiches. So I could probably have it for breakfast tomorrow or something. So I came up with something I can do. So first I'm gonna just add put some seasoning together. I'm just eyeballing everything guys. And then some cornstarch. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna take this. meanwhile my daughter is preparing their sandwich, I'm gonna go ahead and make my sandwich. All right, so first thing first, I'm gonna put some vegan and for the sauce, guys, I'm gonna use this sweet chili sauce. Honestly, I don't know how this gonna come out, but let's see. You can smother it in the sauce. Yeah, guys, so that's my sandwich, and I'll show you guys the kids when she's finished. So here we go, guys. Alright, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you know each time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, bye.